What if I told you that a single mistake in the president's food could change the course of history? Inside the White House, food is not just food, it's a classified operation. The President of the United States is one of the most protected people on Earth. That protection doesn't just apply to bullets or bombs, it applies to food. Because one of the oldest and most dangerous assassination methods is poisoning. That's why agencies like the United States Secret Service monitor every single detail, even what goes on the president's plate. Preparing a single presidential meal isn't simple. It involves over 30 trained professionals working across a 96-hour timeline. Every step is planned down to the second. Imagine a kitchen that operates like a military war room. Schedules, timing, temperature, everything must be perfect. Deep inside the White House basement, a chef stares at a detailed spreadsheet. But this isn't a normal recipe. It looks more like a military attack plan. Every ingredient has a timeline. Every action has a precise moment. One mistake could shut everything down. Now here's where things get even more bizarre. Before everything begins, the entire operation depends on a single turkey. But this isn't just any turkey. This bird is raised, trained, and protected like a celebrity. It even stays in luxury hotels like the Willard Intercontinental Hotel. Yes, a turkey, living better than most people. These turkeys go through months of training. They are exposed to bright lights, loud noises, and large crowds. Why? So they don't panic during live events. Some are even exposed to music. Classical music calms them down, while other sounds can make them aggressive or confused. Before the turkey even enters the White House, it is physically inspected down to the smallest detail. Security agents check wings, legs, and body, not just for safety, but also to prevent embarrassing accidents during live broadcasts, because even one unexpected moment could become global news. Now the real operation begins. Every ingredient goes through intense screening. Where did it come from? Who handled it? Was it ever out of sight? Everything is tracked. Then comes testing, chemical testing, biological testing, even radiation checks. This isn't a kitchen anymore. It's a science lab. Even the delivery process is controlled. If a supply truck makes an unexpected stop, the entire shipment is rejected. Drivers are background checked. Packages are scanned for tampering. Nothing is trusted. Everything is verified. Inside the kitchen, elite chefs take over. Some of them hold one of the most prestigious roles, like the White House executive chef. But they are not just cooks. They are part scientists, part security personnel. Every dish must meet strict safety standards. Temperature is everything. For example, meat must reach at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, even 1 degree below. And it goes back to the heat. Every dish is checked, rechecked, and monitored. There is zero room for error. Once cooking starts, no one is allowed to leave for up to 13 hours straight. No breaks, no mistakes. If power fluctuates even for a second, the entire process could collapse. Here's something surprising. The president actually pays for personal meals. Even someone like Donald Trump covers the cost from their own salary. Detailed bills are created, just like a restaurant, because taxpayer money is not used for personal dining. Finally, after hours of preparation, the meal is served. The president sits down, takes a bite, and maybe gives a small nod. But behind that simple moment was a massive operation. Next time you see a simple plate of food, remember this: it might be one of the most protected meals on Earth.